Okay, welcome back once again to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the spectrum. Now, before discussing spectrum, you have to know that what do you understand about the spectrum, and here how many different types of spectrums are there. पहले तो स्पेक्ट्रम किसको बोलते हैं? हमको मालूम है कि अगर जब भी व्हाइट लाइट एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में जाती है तो वहां पे क्या होता है? तो एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड एमिशन, राइट? एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं. यू ऑल नो दैट व्हाइट लाइट इज मेड अप ऑफ 7 डिफरेंट कलर्स. दैट इज अ बिग जॉय, राइट? अगर वो व्हाइट लाइट एक प्रिज्म पे इंसिडेंट करती है और प्रिज्म में से उसका रिफ्लेक्शन होता है, फिर बाद में you can observe the 7 different colors, right? And that is called the spectrum. That 7 different colors what you observe after the white light is passed through the prism, right? तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्पेक्ट्रम बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे continuous spectrum is there, absorption spectrum is there, emission spectrum is there. All these spectrum we are going to discuss one by one. So let us start. First of all, that spectrum. Yes, emission and absorption spectra. Emission and absorption spectra. Right? What do you understand about the emission and absorption spectra? The electromagnetic radiation, when applied on an object, it interact with the object, right? It interact with the object. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? That is the absorption spectra. यहाँ पे absorption spectra किसको बोलते हैं? The electromagnetic radiation when applied an object. The electromagnetic radiation when applied an object, it interact with the object. When applied an object and interact with object right? Absorption. अगर मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं कि ये मेरी स्किन है, उस पे व्हाइट लाइट फॉल होती है और आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि उसका कलर क्या है? तो इट इज अ ब्राउन इन द कलर. तो क्यों ब्राउन कलर? बिकॉज व्हेनेवर द लाइट इज फॉल ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, सम लाइट विल बी अब्सॉर्ब एंड सम लाइट विल बी एमिटेड, राइट? सो व्हाटएवर द लाइट विल बी एमिटेड, इट विल हैव द डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ. जो लाइट एमिट होती है, emission of the light will have the different wavelength, and so that's why we can say that you can see the different colors. Okay, यहाँ पे देखो कि अगर even lower energy state है, मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ E1 that is equals to lower energy state, right? And E2 ये है higher energy state, higher energy state, right? अगर एनर्जी, तो डेल्टा E equals to what? Delta E, whatever the change in the energy, that is called the delta E, and that is equals to higher minus lower, E2 minus E1. That is called absorb energy in emission. Absorb energy in what? Emission. Okay? Now if there is an atom is there, molecules is there, or ion is there, it will be formed through the radiation and are said to be the excited when it is in the excited state. Just like see, यहाँ पे E1 है और यहाँ पे E2 है. यहाँ पे E1 लेता हूँ और यहाँ पे E2. ये क्या होता है कि यहाँ से एनर्जी हायर एनर्जी स्टेट में गई, राइट? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? एब्जॉर्प्शन. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एब्जॉर्प्शन. ये एब्जॉर्ब हो गया ना, ये रेज यहाँ से लोअर एनर्जी से हायर एनर्जी में गया, तो लोअर एनर्जी में ये क्या था, मोर स्टेबल, इट इज अ मोर स्टेबल, राइट। अब ये यहां पे गया तो ये क्या हुआ, लेस स्टेबल, लेस स्टेबल, अंडरस्टैंड। लोअर से हायर क्या हुआ, एब्जॉर्प्शन हुआ। नाउ whenever the rays will be absorbed, now it will be emitted. Now these rays जो एब्जॉर्ब हुई और कई रेज क्या हुई, एमिट हुई, राइट। सो इट इज एक्साइटेड स्टेट, ये कौन सा स्टेट है, एक्साइटेड स्टेट। और यहां पे क्या होगा, एमिशन, क्या होगा, एमिशन ऑफ द रेज, राइट। इज इट क्लियर? एंड दिस वी कैन से इट इज अ ग्राउंड स्टेट, ग्राउंड स्टेट, ओके। एंड हियर whatever the change in the energy, that is called delta E, and delta E equals to h mu. H that is the Planck constant and mu that is the frequency. ये बात आपको मालूम होनी चाहिए। Is it clear? Right? तो ये सब आपको मालूम होना चाहिए। फिर बाद में मैं ऐसा भी लिख सकता हूँ कि when electron going to the higher energy level to the specific radiation with the specific energy is absorbed. यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन हायर एनर्जी लेवल में जाता है तो एनर्जी विल बी एब्सॉर्ब। बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एब्सॉर्ब रेडिएशन वी कैन से द स्पेक्ट्रम इज कॉल्ड एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम। ये जो एब्सॉर्ब हुआ उस स्पेक्ट्रम को हम क्या बोलते हैं, एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम, राइट। और यहाँ पे मैं ऐसा भी लिख सकता हूं कि आई कैन राइट व्हेन द इलेक्ट्रॉन गोइंग फ्रॉम द हायर एनर्जी लेवल, व्हेन इलेक्ट्रॉन going to higher energy level, what will be absorbed, the specific energy is absorbed, specific energy is absorbed, right। कोई एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब होती है। Because of this absorption, radiation of spectrum, it is called absorption spectrum. Or I can write down delta E that is equals to HU that is equals to E2 minus E1, right? Is it clear? And it is always be positive. And absorption spectrum, I can write down and absorption spectrum is like a photographic negative of emission spectrum, is like photographic negative of what, emission spectrum, right, of emission spectrum. Is it clear? And what is emission spectrum? The atom in excited state is not stable, so by releasing the energy it gain more energy. Is it clear? And that is called the emission spectrum. एक्साइटेड स्टेट में एटम है तो ये क्या करेगा, एनर्जी रिलीज करेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि इट इज अ लेस स्टेबल, और लेस स्टेबल है एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट विल बी कम्स इन द ग्राउंड स्टेट। अंडरस्टैंड? सो नाउ this is first of all right now this is the absorption spectrum, then after we are going to discuss about the emission spectrum. ये लिख लो पहले। Okay, now let us write down about the emission spectra. See here, emission spectra. You can write down the atom in excited state is not stable. The atom in excited state, अभी हमने पढ़ा, is not stable, stable नहीं है, right? So by releasing the energy, so by what, releasing energy it gain, releasing energy it gain more what stable state. It gain more stable state, that is a E1. Understand? Is it clear? At this time it emits the radiation, and that radiation is called the emission spectrum. At this time it emits the radiation which is called, so it is called emission spectrum. So it is called what? Emission spectrum. Emission spectrum. Is it clear? उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रम. अगर मुझे ये टू प्रोड्यूस एमिशन एनर्जी सप्लाई बाय सैंपल बाय हीटिंग, एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रम हमको प्रोड्यूस करना है तो उस सैंपल को मुझे हीट करना पड़ेगा. एज फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे क्या लिखते हैं कि डेल्टा ई change in the energy, that is called E1 minus E2. Understand? And that is equals to h mu. Is it clear? So this is all about the emission spectrum. Is it clear? So ये बात भी आपको मालूम होनी चाहिए. Now in the gaseous phase, emission and absorption spectrum of atom is not continuous. And also I can write down in gaseous state, I can say that gaseous phase, gaseous phase, the emission or absorption spectrum is not continuous. What do you understand about the continuous spectrum, then emission spectrum, absorption spectra, then line spectra? ये बात हमको मालूम होनी चाहिए पहले तो. जैसे कि चलो यहां से एक लाइट गिरती है, ये प्रिज्म है, राइट, और यहां से रिफ्लेक्शन होके यू कैन सी द 7 डिफरेंट कलर्स. यहां पे देखो ये व्हाइट लाइट है, इंसिडेंट रेज, यहां पे आएगा इंसिडेंट रेज, राइट, ये प्रिज्म है, ओके. और यहां पे जो भी निकलता है इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? स्पेक्ट्रम, राइट. अगर कंटीन्यूअस स्पेक्ट्रम होगा तो यू कैन सी द 7 डिफरेंट कलर्स कंटीन्यूअसली, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द कंटीन्यूअस स्पेक्ट्रम. यहां पे अगर आप डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ के 7 डिफरेंट कलर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो उस स्पेक्ट्रम को क्या बोलते हैं हम? कंटीन्यूअस स्पेक्ट्रम. अगर यहां पे एक लाइन दिखता है या ऐसा, यस, so this is called absorption spectrum. Which absorption? यहाँ पे लाइन लग जाएगी, कुछ नहीं होगा, ब्लैक कलर दिख रहा है, so this is called, ये पोर्शन क्या हुआ? एब्जॉर्ब हो गया, राइट. और अगर सिर्फ इस लाइन में कलर दिखता है ये, और ये सब ब्लैक हो गया, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम. व्हाट? लाइन. ओनली यू कैन ऑब्जर्व द लाइन. इज इट क्लियर? सिर्फ लाइन आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो. इज इट क्लियर? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द लाइन. सो देयर आर बेसिकली 3 डिफरेंट स्पेक्ट्रम इज देयर. सो फर्स्ट वन इज अ कंटीन्यूअस, second one is the absorption or emission, and third one is the line spectrum. Okay, so first of all note down all these things. अब हम देखेंगे लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम. चलो देखते हैं. Okay, now let us see a line spectrum. Line spectra. First of all, our first point, that the spectrum of visible light are represented in the spectra. The spectrum of visible light are represented in the spectra. In the spectra. Is it clear? Next point, that the emission spectra of atom in gas phase on other hand do not show the continuous. As you all know that that the emission spectrum do not shows the in the gas phase do not shows the continuous what spectrum, right? Just like from red to violet. Is it clear? Rather than it emit the light only in the specific wavelength, okay, with the dark space between them. Such a spectra is called line spectra. Dark space is there. I told you that only the spectrum is there and only the dark space is there. That is called the line spectra. So I can write down that the emission spectra of atom in gas phase, spectra of atom in gaseous phase do not shows continuous spread of wavelength, do not show continuous spread of wavelength from red to violet, from red to violet. Understand that they emit only a specific wavelength with a dark space. They emit only a specific wavelength with a dark space. Is it clear? They emit a specific wavelength with a dark space between them, and such a spectra between them. Such spectra is called, उस स्पेक्ट्रम को क्या बोलते हैं? लाइन स्पेक्ट्रा. हमने एक्सप्लेन किया कि लाइन only you can observe what? Only the line. You see the color just like a line. Is it clear? So that is called the line spectra. Now the emission and absorption spectrum of photographic recording of separate wavelength is called line spectrum. I can also say an emission or absorption spectrum is a photographic recording. Spectrum is a what? Photographic recording. It is a photographic recording of separated wavelength is called of separated wavelength. सभी की wavelength क्या होगी? Separate. Is called. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Line spectrum. Is it clear? तो ये बात आपको मालूम होनी चाहिए. चलो एक बार लिख दो. ओके अभी लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम को कहां पे हम यूज करते हैं? तो लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम इज यूज इन द स्टडी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्ट्रक्चर, राइट? इट इज यूज इन द स्टडी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्ट्रक्चर यूजेस. इट इज यूज टू स्टडी द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्ट्रक्चर. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्ट्रक्चर बोले तो the characteristics of line in atomic spectrum can be used for chemical analysis to identify the unknown atom, right? So I can write down the characteristics of unknown line, the characteristics line in atomic spectrum, lines in atomic spectra is used. कहां पे यूज होता है? Can be used chemical analysis to identify the unknown atom. Chemical analysis to identify the unknown atom. अगर कोई unknown atom है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है तो क्या यूज कर सकते हैं हम? लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम, राइट? यहाँ पे दैट इज एलिमेंट लाइक रुबिडियम, cesium, thallium, indium, gallium, scandium were discovered, but then mainly it will be analyzed by the spectroscopic method, right? Elements like which one? That rubidium, cesium, then it came thallium, indium, gallium, thallium, indium, gallium, and scandium, right? Were discovered by were analyzed by the spectroscopic method. Were analyzed by which method? Spectroscopy. Spectroscopy method, right? ये बात आपको मालूम होनी चाहिए. Is it clear? So note down. So today we have discussed about the three different points. First of all, we have discussed about the emission spectrum, then absorption spectrum, and then after line spectrum. Okay. So the different wavelength will have the different increase in the wavelength. The absorption spectrum will be what? It will be decrease. Our emission spectrum will be increase. So that things also you have to know. पहले note down कर लो. चलो अब हम बात करेंगे हाइड्रोजन एटम की. हाइड्रोजन एटम, एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम. चलो एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम देखते कि एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रा of what? Hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom. Okay? चलो क्या है हाइड्रोजन एटम? तो पहले तो हाइड्रोजन एटम की बात करें तो when the light is emitted, when the high voltage is applied to the hydrogen gas kept in the electrical discharge tube. हमको मालूम है कि अगर एक इलेक्ट्रिकल डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब है उसमें दो इलेक्ट्रोड इमर्स किए हुए हैं, and when you apply the high voltage, then what happens? That the light will be emitted. Is it clear? At a low pressure, right? And this light and appear, the color of that light is just like a purple color. Okay, so it will be analyzed by the instrument that is called the spectrograph. Okay, different series you can obtain, right? And you can observe the different line spectrum. So let us see. First of all, I can write down that the light is emitted when high voltage of electricity is applied to, when high voltage of electricity is applied to a discharge to a hydrogen gas kept in a hydrogen gas kept in what? Electric discharge tube. Electric discharge tube, right? Electric discharge tube, and at a low pressure. At low pressure. Understand? क्या हुआ कि लो प्रेशर में अगर मैं हाई वोल्टेज अप्लाई करता हूं, इलेक्ट्रिकल डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब में हाइड्रोजन गैस भरा हुआ है, दो इलेक्ट्रॉन इमर्ज किए हुए, and when I apply the high voltage, then it can emit the light. This emitted light appeared to be a light purple color. This emitted light is appear to light purple color. कौन सा कलर? लाइट पर्पल कलर. And it will be analyzed by the instrument spectrograph and analyze by the instrument called what? Spectrograph. Spectrograph. Understand? इसे हम एनालाइज करेंगे. Different series of line with the different distance are obtained in the spectrum, right? And it will be analyzed with the spectrogram with different series of light and different. This line obtained in the spectrum is called line spectra. The line obtained in the spectrum is called what? Line spectra. उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Line spectra. Is it clear? And it will be emitted by the emission of light from any other element in the gaseous, like a hydrogen, known as the atomic spectra. Is it clear? At the first sight, hydrogen spectrum appear here. We can also say the series are known as the regularity in the position of the line. The regularity in the position of line in the is the series proof, right? Position of the line is series proof. Which series is that? That is the Lyman, Balmer, Paschmann, Brackett and Fun. So that name will be given according to the name of that scientist who has discovered them, right? So let us see that which are the different series are there. So यहाँ पे अगर सीरीज का नाम लिखना हो तो यहाँ पे एक सीरीज है, right? Then Ni, that is the initial, then Nf, that is the final, and then range of spectrum. उसकी रेंज क्या है? चलो पहले तो मैं लिखूंगा कौन सा? लाइनमैन है तो 1 यहां से 2 और 3 से जाएगा, राइट? एंड द रेंज ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रम दैट इज अल्ट्रावायलेट यूवी रेज, राइट? देन बार्मर 2 से 3, 4 to infinite, and that is visible. You can see it is a क्या है? Visible है, right? Then Paschmann यहाँ पे 3 और यहाँ पे 4, 5 up to infinite, and that is called infrared. Then bracket that is a 4, 5, 6. It is also infrared. And Fun, that is a here 5, so 6 and 7. It is also infrared. Okay, so this is all about the hydrogen spectra. If you taken the hydrogen gas, now after that here is the emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. Now we are going to discuss our next point, that is the Bohr's atomic model, which can be given by the hydrogen atom only. It is not being able to explain any other element. Why? Because certain limitations are there, and that we are going to discuss in the next lecture. Okay, so up to here it's enough. Today we have discussed about the 4 different points. First one is a emission spectrum, absorption spectrum, then line spectrum, and then hydrogen spectrum. Okay, so up to here it's enough. Thank you very much.